Good day, everyone. I am Jessel Manzano from the group of Gold Drivers. So, in behalf of my groupmates, I am the one who is assigned to discuss our capstone project. By the way, my groupmates are Jezreel Alvarado, our programmer, Princess Agonase, our system analyst, and yours truly, Jessel Manzano, the project manager. So, our capstone project is called College Inquiry Chatbot. So, College Inquiry Chatbot project will be developed using artificial intelligence algorithms that will analyze users' queries. It will answer the student questions that is related to college. So students can query about the admission, faculty personnel, and the history of the school so that students won't have to go to the college and to make the inquiry and to get the information they needed. So the purpose of this study is to provide response to a user's query, provide steps in the enrollment information, provide information about the school history and college personnel, and to reduce the time and hassle required to students in getting informations. So our intended end users are the students and the personnel who is assigned to entertain all the queries of the students. For the students, it will reduce the time and hassle required to get the information they needed. And for the personnel who is assigned to entertain all the inquiry of the students, it will also reduce the time and hassle for them to respond to the query of the students. So now let us open our system. So as you open the system, you can see the login page. So this is the login page where you can see or you can log in as an admin. Log in here as an admin using your username and password. And if you a user, just simply enter your name here and then just click get started button so you can start chatting with the bot. Okay, first log into the admin. Then as we log into the admin, enter username, password, then enter. So as you enter, you can see here a dashboard. Dashboard contains the number of users today, which is the total number of the users that uses a chatbot only in that day, and then the overall users, and then the bot response rate, where you can see the total response rate of the bot. Here, there is also a notification button where you can find some unanswered questions from the bot. So there are also a submenus, which is the categories and Q&A. So let's go to the categories. So this is the category. You can see here the category name, which is enrollment and CAMSI personnel. You can also add the category name here. Just click the add button. You can also update or delete a category name if you want. So this category can be chosen in the user's menu. By the way, in the category page, there is also a previews button where the admin can back into action the next button where the admin can go next, and also you can search. There is also a search box where you can search a category. So now let's go to the Q&A page. So in the Q&A page, question and answer, there is a add button. So you can choose a category, whether enrollment or CAMC personnel. By the way, our main focus here is the enrollment CAMC personnel and the history. So you can just add to the category the history of the school. Just simply add. So let's go back. So the question and answer, there is a button, add button. If you click here, you can choose a category, whether the enrollment or CAMC personnel. So if you choose, for example, enrollment, you can add the keywords for the answers. You can add the keywords and the answers for the questions. For example, you are going to ask some questions, or then you can simply get some keywords there and put it here, and you can also put the answers here. So also you can add by the way, you can also add the additional info about that, but it's only optional. So now this is the user page, the dashboard, categories, and the Q&A. So now let's go to the users menu. So enter your name, then click get started. So here you can choose a category. Which category do you have the inquiry? So the college personnel or the enrollment information. So now you can chat in our booth about all the inquiries, and if the booth didn't respond, it will go to the admin page, to the notification. Then the admin will see it. The admin will see what is the unanswered question. Then he or she can update it or add it to the category, and he or she can put the keywords and answer to the question and answer categories or question and answers menu, so that if anyone or any students questions again, the bot can respond automatically. So, that is our chatbot. Thank you and good day.